evaluate the definite integral using substitution. So we have minus 1 to 1 dx by x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay. The very first question is, what should we do with the denominator? So we know that we don't have a direct formula per se. What to do? Yes, either we have to use this. This is not possible because we don't have a linear expression. It's not required actually. Not about possibility, it's not required. Or this, partial fractions. But how will we decide on that? Yes, think of it. Well, depending on our discriminant. See, if we are able to write in the form of a plus b the whole square, or split the middle term, or so on and so forth, right? What can we tell? Yes, we will be able to tell that we have a definite root and all of that, then we are able to factorize and so on and so forth. But here, as d is less than 0, what does it mean? If d is less than 0, it means that we can't split it, right? D stands for your correct discriminant. Remember, b squared minus 4ac. b squared minus 4ac over here is a negative expression. Because it's a negative expression, we cannot split it. And because we cannot split it, we cannot factorize it, basically. Right? So we won't get real number, that is. So what we have to use? We have to use completing the square method. So when we talk about completing the square method, it has to do with this particular set of expression, using that set of expression. Right? So this is how you decide. First thing is, you need to learn to decide what method to use, because without knowing what method to use, well, it doesn't make sense for us to do anything about the question. Okay, always decide on how do you guys want to go about, then move forward. If not, then try it, try all the variations, then you'll get to understand. Okay, so since we have to complete the square method, first thing is, we'll consider x squared plus 2x plus 5, this expression. Now, we have this to be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Where do I get 1? I can write 5 as 1 plus 4. And now, this is nothing but a plus b the whole square plus 2 square. So what is the formula? Which formula are we using? The third one, right? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So we have I is equal to minus 1 to 1 dx by x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. To be honest, we can directly do this. Because of the heading, I'm going to substitute. If not, you don't have to substitute. So let's substitute t as x plus 1. So we have dt as dx. So for x is equal to 1, we are changing the limit also. This is 2. And for x is equal to minus 1, t is equal to 0. Then I would be 0 to 2 dt by t square plus 2 square. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 tan inverse of x by 2 from 0 to 2. And further substitution involves 1 by 2 tan inverse of, this is 2 by 2 minus tan inverse of 0. So this is clearly 0, this is 1, so this is pi by 4, this is 0, this is pi by 4. Pi by 4 into 1 by 2 is pi by 8. So that's your answer.